So good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is for you. For me it's 20 to 5 on a Monday afternoon, and I'm off home. Just been to Sutton's. I went to knock the rear axle nut off so I could adjust the chain, and I couldn't get it off. It was too tight for what it has actually transpired was that they torque it to spec. Now, I've never torqued an axle nut to spec. I just do it as tight as I possibly can, and it's never really let me down. So, and he did manage to free it, but he just used a longer bar, and he's packing a bit more beat than I am. So he loosened the nut for me, and he tightened the chain and gave it a little spray for me as well. So I can't really complain, and they didn't charge me for it, which is even better. And I realised, so I don't had a bad day out really. Chain sprayed, chain tightened, and a bit of knowledge. Can't really complain, can I? All free of charge. I do like the boys at Sutton's. They do treat you right. So yeah, that's why I'm out now, and I can't remember the way back this way. That's around about the industrial estate. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's go left. That could be right, or it could be wrong. Doesn't look familiar. So this is a proper short video, and it's just to announce that I will be at, and this is wrong, I should have turned right. Yeah, I'll be at the Anglo Saxon Motovlogger meetup. Bit of a mouthful, I know. On the 28th of... Ooh, a lot of traffic. She's turning. 28th of July at Krazy Horse Customs at Bury St Edmunds. Was it Bury? Bury, yeah. It's been hosted by Rob64, and I'll get it right this time because I've attempted this once and I got the name totally wrong. Wraith biker. I thought it was Walden biker, but I think he had an accident actually. And yeah, it's on the 28th of July, to Sunday, at said Krazy Horse Customs at Bury St Edmunds, between the times of 11 AM and 2 PM. I'm going to aim to be there for 11. But I might be half an hour or so late. It all depends on work, because I work Saturday nights. I can be in anywhere from, I think the early spinning on Saturday is about 8 o'clock, so we'll see. I'm definitely going to go. It's only a 2-hour run, and it was Rob that sent me the an invite via the event on Facebook, which I will link in the description. I got that before the videos went up, so cheers Rob, I'll be there. I'll come and give you my support. I don't know anybody else that's going. So don't know. We shall see. We shall see who does the announcement videos and who turns up on the day. I'm going to say it does say on the poster for the Suffolk South East Motovloggers, but it does also say South East and God, look at that, South East and surrounding, I think it said. I don't know, I'll put the poster up. So yeah, I'll be there. I don't expect anybody to really recognise me. I know obviously Rob will, but apart from that, I don't expect anybody to recognise me. And I go that way. Sort of way, I think. But yeah, if you're going, then drop a comment, drop a message on Twitter, and I shall look forward to seeing you all there. I did say on the post, actually, this was I put to think about it, I will be going. Obviously I'm going. If anybody wants to, from the Leicestershire, Derbyshire, Staffordshire, Warwickshire, sort of that corner of Junction 11, Junction 12 of the M42 where it meets the A42. And then I want to have a little ride out over, then again let me know. I've got no problems organising a little ride out over. I can lead or somebody else can lead, I'm not particularly bothered. I'm going to see if anybody else off of YouTube's got fancies a trip out. But yeah, I mean, you can have a good nosy around the shop. I've seen their stuff at the NEC. I'm sure it was them I saw at the NEC. And have a coffee, have a catch up, meet some new people, see some old faces. And yes, be cracking late morning, early afternoon meet. And then obviously I said about a ride out over. If anyone wants to do a ride out back, then again, let me know. Comments, Twitter, if you follow me on Instagram. You want to send me a message on there or comment on any old post really, then again, yeah, do it. If there's enough, and if there's enough interest, well, even if one person wants to do it, then yeah, we shall have ourselves a mini convoy. If maybe I can throw an event on Facebook. As I say, just let me know if that's something you're interested in. But yeah, before I start rambling on, I shall leave it there, and I'm pretty sure I remember my way home now. So yeah, as I say, for now, I don't know what video is going up next. got a few that have been recorded and not edited because I just can't be bothered at the minute. But yeah, the next video is probably going to be the London ride out. Ref ride, which was a bloody good day, but I won't spoil too much. Although if you have me on Facebook as a friend, you'll already, or in the Soldier F group, you already know one of the highlights of my time. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to go and get me some freshed up. Not bothered, look. And yeah, I'll leave it here. And I'll see you in the next video. Ride safe, take care, adios.